Basically, we have a turnkey range hood product offering. Essentially, when you get a range hood from Omega National Products, it comes in on a pup skid in a carton. You pop the top, take out your mounting board. It goes to the wall. You find 2 studs. You got 3 screws a stud. You're almost finished with your install. You then go back to the box. You pull out the liner that's included with the hood you bought. You attach the wings to it. At this point, you choose Brown ventilation, good, better, best. 300 CFM, 400 CFM, 600 CFM. Covers the entire range. Once you slide it up in there, you got 4 screws. Again, you're almost done. You take your range hood out of your carton, you finish it, you put it right back in the carton, ship it to the job site, no damage. All of Omega National hoods attached the same way. We have a French cleat, one side here, one side on the back of the mounting board. It's a 1-person install. You do not need an assistant. Slide the range hood up, coming down, tap it with 2 screws each side. My house, our soffit comes down low. I don't use a chimney. This goes straight to the ceiling. Should you need a chimney, we make 2. 21.5, 31.5. Roller catch is attached, trimmable top and bottom. Those 2 mounting brackets up there come in the box that the chimney came in as well. They're pre-mounted to a particular location. Take your chimney, you slide it up, you click it in, you're installed. Should you need access to the ventilator, before it's installed, you simply unattach it the exact same way. Permit guy comes through, connections look great, put it back up the same way. Oak, maple, hickory, cherry, alder, rift white oak, walnut, paint grade. 80% of the market is paint grade. Start there. We have a variety of models. You can see our new Omni. It's very modern, contemporary, clean look. We are doing that in rift white oak also. It's the newest species for the kitchen cabinet industry. This is our most popular hood, the Artisan. You'll see that shown in walnut. That's a 1-piece hood, but it installs exactly the same way as the 2-piece hood we just discussed. The middle hood is a canopy hood. It's intended to attach between 2 upper cabinets. That way it's moved out from the wall. We're simply not showing it here. The liner that comes with this hood is designed for Brown ventilation. Good, better, best. All of our hoods are available in 30, 36, 42, 48. It's a turnkey system. There's nothing Omega National Products makes that the cabinet shop can't. We make a high quality product. You can buy it from us, resell it, and you don't have to find 2 guys on a Friday for 4 hours to build a hood.